Hi everyone, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make two Asian side dishes, ginger carrots and spicy green beans. I add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil into a hot wok. You want to make sure that you're using a deep pan such as this wok to stir fry your green beans in. Next I'm going to add about 2 cups of fresh green beans and just kind of stir them around. In another saucepan I have 2 tablespoons of butter for the carrots, and I'm going to start that. Want to make sure you keep your heat up. Sometimes you have to play with it, whether it's high or medium high. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I know it's stinky, but it's so good. The flavor it adds to the dish is amazing. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh garlic. Smells good. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I like to use the low sodium soy sauce. Try to keep the salt down as much as you can. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Oh, this just smells so wonderful. I'm taking about 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger and put it in the pan that the carrots will go into. Stir it around in the butter, and then I'm adding the sliced carrots. I'm going to also add a 1/2 cup of water into the pan with the carrots so that it can cook and boil. These beans are smelling so wonderful. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. You can choose to eliminate the honey if you don't want the sweetness from the honey, because the carrots are nice and sweet alone. Just keep stirring your green beans until they're done, and then right before they're done, I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you don't like it as hot and spicy, don't add it, or just add very little. But I think it adds to the flavor. And then you're all done. Look at those nice side dishes, the ginger carrots and the spicy green beans, and yum, the Korean chicken bulgogi. Thank you for joining me tonight, and I hope you found this recipe very easy to follow. It's super easy to cook. The recipe will be down in the descriptions. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notified of my next video. I produce videos twice a week, so see you soon. Bye.